good day. This is Miss LM and we're back again with another math video, and today we're going to talk about theorems on triangle inequalities. And we're going to start with the side angle inequality theorem. So in this lesson, we have these objectives. First is identify the opposite angles of the given sides. Second is analyze the side angle inequality theorem. And the third one is arrange the angles in ascending or descending order using the side angle inequality theorem. So for the first lesson objective, parang ito ay isang recap na lang of our previous lesson. Alamin natin kung alin ang angles opposite to the given sides. Okay? So let's proceed with this objective. Identify the opposite angles of the given sides. Okay, so let's begin. Let us have this triangle ABC, and we're going to identify the opposite angles of the given side. So what angle is opposite to side BC? So this is side BC, this one. Ano daw ang angle opposite to it? So we have angle A. How about side AB? So this is side AB. What angle is opposite to side AB? And that is angle, so this one, angle C. Then the last one, we have side AC. This is side AC. What angle is opposite to side AC? It's no other than angle B. Okay? So that's for our first example. Next, we have triangle JME. So what angle is opposite to side JM or MJ? So this is side JM. What angle is opposite to this side? That's angle E. And then we have side EJ. So this one naman. Ano ang angle opposite to this side? So that's angle M. Then for the last one, we have side ME. So ito po yung side ME. Ano daw ang angle opposite to it? That is angle J. Okay? Ayan. So, madali lang mahanap yung opposite angles kapag may figure. Ano po? Paano naman po kaya kapag wala ng figure? Pero may name naman po siya ng triangle. Do we need to draw the triangle para lang mahanap yung angle opposite to the given side? So, hindi na po. Ano na lang po yung kailangan natin tingnan or tandaan? Since we have side PQ and the vertices are point P and point Q, so, ibig sabihin may natitirang vertex at yung natitirang vertex na yon ang naglalaman noong angle opposite to this side. So, if we have side PQ, the angle opposite to it is angle R. If we have QR, side QR, so ito namang dalawang ito na vertices, ang natira po ay vertex P, so nandun po yung angle na opposite to side QR. And for the last one, we have PR. Ayan, PR, ang natitira po ay Q, so that will be the angle opposite to that side. So, side PR opposite is angle Q, side QR opposite is angle P, and side PQ opposite is angle R. Okay? So, great. Now that you already know how to identify the angles opposite to the given side, let's now proceed to our second objective. Pupunta na tayo dun sa ating main topic, which is the theorem itself, the side angle inequality theorem. Okay, so what is side angle inequality theorem? So in this theorem, it says that in a triangle, if one side is longer than the other side, the angle opposite the longer side is the larger angle. So kaya pala kailangan natin malaman yung angle opposite to that side kasi using the side itself, malalaman natin kung alin ang larger angle at ang smaller angle. So if we have this triangle and if this is the longest side, then this will be the largest angle. Okay? So, magagamit natin ang measurements ng side para malaman kung alin ang mas malaki at mas maliit na angles. Okay? So, let's proceed to some of the examples. We have this triangle JOY and refer to the figure. Side JY is 18, side JO is 19, and side YO is 23. The question is, what is the longest side? Siyempre, yung may pinakamalaking measurement, and that is 23. Ano po yon? Side YO or OY. Now, what is the shortest side? 18, 19, 23, so yung 18. Ang shortest side ay ang YJ or JY. So, using this information, 23 and then 18, gamit yan, malalaman natin yung largest and smallest angle. So, for the largest angle, opposite siya ng longest side. So, what is the angle opposite to side YO? And that is angle J. So, ito po yung ating largest angle ngayon. Opposite siya ng longest side. So, for the smallest angle, opposite naman siya ng shortest side. So, if we have JY as the shortest side, the smallest angle is angle O. So, ito naman po yung smallest angle. Again, ma-identify natin, even though wala tayong measurements ng angles, ang gagamitin lang natin ay measurements ng side and the theorem itself. Okay? So, syempre, hindi naman natin ma-identify yan kung wala tayong pinagbasihan. At ang pinagbasihan natin ay ang theorem po na side angle inequality theorem. So, let's have another example here. Okay, so the question here is, how do you arrange the angles of a triangle? So, we have this triangle FUN with the measurements FU is 12, UN is 25, and FN is 17. Paano nga ba natin siya ma-arrange? So, pwede natin siyang i-arrange in ascending order. Pag sinabi pong ascending order, pataas po yon. So, from smallest to largest. Now, paano natin ma-arrange yung angles of the triangle in ascending order? Again, using the measurements of the side. Alin ba yung pinakamaliit na side or pinakamaikling side? Side FU with 12. So, opposite niyan ay yung angle na pinakamaliit, and that is angle N. Followed by side FN, which is 17. So, angle opposite to it is angle U. Then, the last one is angle F. So, in arrangement, ascending order, angle N, angle U, angle F. Pinakamaliit si angle N, pinakamalaki si angle F. Pag naman sinabing descending order, syempre, kabaligtaran naman siya nung ascending. Pag descending, mauuna yung pinakamalaki, papaliit. So, 25, 17, and 12, these are the measurements of the sides. So, hanapin po yung angles opposite to these sides para pangalanan natin yung angles in descending order. So, pinakamalaki is 25, opposite niya ay angle F. Sumunod ay 17, opposite niya ay angle U. Then, ang pinakamaliit is yung 12. So, opposite niya is angle N. So, this is how we arrange the angles in descending order. Malaki, papaliit. Ascending, maliit, papalaki. Okay? Another example. Arrange its angles in descending order. Descending. Pag sinabing descending, malaki, papaliit. Or pababa. Descend, pababa. So, hanapin mo na yung pinakamalaki, that's 24. Opposite niya is angle S. Sunod sa 24 ay 23. So, side TS, opposite angle is angle R. Then, the smallest one is yung may 22. Side RS, opposite niya ay angle T. So, in descending order, we have angle S, angle R, and angle T. Okay? Another example. So, we have these two triangles, kaya lang hindi po siya nakadraw. So, may name lang tayo. Again, huwag matatakot. Meron tayong measurements ng sides and may name din yung sides, syempre. At yung nawawalang vertex po dito ay ang angles opposite to it. So, if we have FI, ang angle opposite to it ay yung natitira, which is X, angle X. We have FX, ang angle opposite to it is angle I. And IX, angle opposite to it is angle F. Now, ang pinapahanap po ay ang arrangement ng angles in ascending order. Pag sinabi pong ascending, papataas. Maliit, papalaki. So, tingnan natin yung measurements ng side. 15, 17, 20. So, as you can see, yung arrangement niya ay papataas na. So, maliit, papalaki. Kaya po, arrange na lang natin siya ng mas maayos. Angle X is the smallest one, followed by angle I. Then, the largest angle is angle F. Okay? So, nagkataon po na yung given natin ay naka-arrange din in ascending order. Now, for triangle YOU. YO is 2.5. Opposite to it is angle U. YU is 7.5 cm. Opposite to it is angle O. And OU is 5.5 cm. Angle opposite to it is angle Y. Ascending pa rin po, so maliit, papalaki. 2.5 ang pinakamaliit, so angle U ang mauuna. Sunod ay ang 7.5 ba or 5.5? So the answer is yung 5.5. At ang opposite sa kanya ay angle Y. Then the last one is yung ating YU, which is 7.5. Kaya po ang kanyang opposite angle ay angle O. So, angle U, angle Y, and angle O will be the arrangement of the angles in ascending order. Okay? So, for the last example here, fill in the blanks with the correct relation symbol, greater than or less than, to show the relationship. So, ito po yung triangle DOG with the measurements DO is 25, DG is 40, and OG is 56. Now, i-compare daw natin yung measurements na angles. Again, wala po tayong measurement ng angle. We're going to base our answer on the measurements of the sides. Because, meron din naman po tayong side angle inequality theorem. So, measure angle D, ang side opposite to D ay may measurement na 56. Diba? Then, measure angle O, ano ba ang side opposite to angle O? May measurement siya na 40. So, 56 and 40 yung i-compare natin, kaya po, ang magiging relation symbol dito or inequality symbol ay greater than. Next, measure angle D pa rin, 56. Then, measure angle G, ang opposite na side ay yung 25. Again, itong measurements na ito ay hindi po measurement angle. Ito po ay measurement ng sides opposite to them. Okay? So, 56 and 25, pag pinag-compare, mas malaki pa rin si 56. So, greater than pa rin po ang gagamitin. Third one, measure angle O. Again, ang side opposite to it is 40. For angle G, ang side opposite to it is 25. Mas malaki pa rin yung 40, kaya po, greater than po ang magiging sagot. Then, for the fourth one, angle G. So, ang measurement ng side opposite to angle G is 25. Side opposite to angle O is 40. So, mas malaki si 40, mas maliit si 25. Kaya po, ang relation symbol ay less than. Okay? Then, dun sa pinakahuli po, ang measure angle O, opposite side ay 40. Measure angle D, opposite side ay 56. So, mas maliit si 40 kaysa kay 56. Kaya, less than po ulit yung sagot. Okay? So, these measurements are not the measurements of the angles, but the measurements of the side. Then, in-apply po natin yung side angle inequality theorem. Okay? So, let us have this third objective. So, yan po ay ang ating third objective. Ayan. Arrange the angles in ascending or descending order using side angle inequality theorem. So, this will be your task for this lesson. You have to read the directions and then look at the figure itself. So, first one, arrange its angles in ascending order. Again, angles po ang i-arrange. Using the measurements of the side, ma-arrange po natin siya. Ascending order. Pause this video for a while and then write your answer on your notebook first bago po ninyo ilagay sa comment section later on. Okay? So, look at the figure, look at the sides, and then determine the angles opposite to those sides para ma-arrange nyo yung angles na yon in ascending order. Okay? That's for number 1. Then, we have number 2, arrange its angles in descending order. So, papaliit naman. So, tingnan po ulit yung measurements ng side. Identify the angles opposite to them and then arrange in descending order. Number 2. Then for number 3, 4, and 5, you can pause this video for a while to answer these questions. So number 3, arrange the angles in ascending order. Triangle CAT. So ascending, papataas. CA is 7 cm, CT is 24 cm, side AT is 25 cm. Ascending order, papataas. Next, arrange its angles in descending order. So papaliit naman. Triangle MEN. Side M is 0.15 meters. Side MN is 0.11 meters. And side EN is 0.10 meters. Then, for number 5, ascending po ulit, triangle LOG. Side LO is 0.55 centimeters. Side LG is 0.35 centimeters. And side OG is 0.4 centimeters. Ascending is maliit, papalaki. Okay, so pause this video for a while and then write your answer on your notebook first before you type it on the comment section below. Okay, so for the last 5 items, refer to the given figure. Fill in the blanks with the correct relation symbol, less than, greater than, or equal to show the relationship between the angles. So meron tayo ditong 2 triangles, OAT and AKU. So, i-compare po yung angles, angle O and angle K. So, paano po mako-compare? Tingnan po yung measurements noong sides opposite to them para po ma-compare nyo siya ng maayos. Measure angle T. So, this is the opposite one. Measure angle U, opposite niya po. So, ano magiging relation symbol? Less than ba, greater than, or equal? This one is OAT, OAT. So, yung A yung tinutukoy. Ano yung measurement ng side opposite to it? Measure angle KAU. So, A ang tinutukoy. Ano yung side opposite to that angle? Are they equal? Are they greater than? Are they less than? At ganoon din po sa number 9 and number 10. Pause this video on this part also para po masagutan nyo rin ng tama and then write your answer later on the comment section below. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I hope that you learned from this lesson. So we're done with our first theorem on triangle inequalities, the side angle inequality theorem. So in this theorem, nalaman natin na may relationship between the sides and the angles of the triangle. The longer the side, the larger the angle is. The shorter the side, the smaller the angle is. At pwede natin i-arrange yung angles ng triangle in ascending. Pag sinabing ascending, papataas. Descending ay pababa. So, ang kailangan lang nating information ay ang measurement ng sides ng triangle para ma-arrange yung mga angles na yan. Okay? So, that's all and I hope you learned something from this video. Huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod pang videos. Mag-comment na rin kayo sa baba ng mga sagot ninyo and then later on, check natin kung tama ang mga sagot ninyo. So, that's all. God bless everyone. Keep safe and bye-bye!